Welcome y'all to another taste test of Jeff's famous jerky. Before we forget, don't forget to use the code 10OFF. All right. Today we are checking out the Cranberry Jalapeno. Woo! Let's see what little kick. Sweet and mildly spicy. All right. That smells good. This is the consistency of it. Oh, I love jerky so much. I actually paused the video and I had another piece. Hey, what can I say? Anyway, so on a scale of 1 through 5, my rating for this would be probably a 4. It's a good sweet, and a 4 being good. You know, 1 being the worst, 5 being the best. 4, it's good, sweet. It's not that spicy, which is, you know, I like that. Overall, good flavor. I like it.